Oh, so here is the beginning of day 2. I've taken this off, and I went to my parents' house, went through my scrap. I found this nice long piece of aluminum. I think it's about 200 thousandths thick, so a little thicker than I probably need, but it's nice and rigid. It's not going to bend too much. And so we're going to be able to mount this right under here. Probably pull it back far enough just to get it more rigid as it can be. So, it'll be mounted like this. We're going to have to drill out the 3 holes for mounting it. And then we have to figure out a way to get that big hole for the extruder to pass through. I have not yet figured that out. I am not excited about figuring it out. The biggest drill bit as I have is a 1/2 inch. And at a 1/2 inch, I would have to file or Dremel out another, something ridiculous like 1.7. So 170 thousandths. I don't know how much you guys have messed with aluminum, but that's not too fun. So I hope I find a better way, or think of a better way to put a big hole in this for the extruder to pass through, but currently don't have it. Next, I found some dowel that is exactly 1 inch in diameter, which is just awful because we can see here. Okay, we can see the plunger tube. 1 inch is just a little loose. See, it's got wobble and wiggle. It's not tight. Probably would be fine because, again, this really your rubber piece should be what's the fullest, and this should just be some length to kind of guide it, but I'm opting for some significantly larger aluminum stock I have. You can see it's not too much larger. It's probably, I think, what is it? Let me grab a caliper. Caliper says 1 point, yeah, so it's probably 1.375 it was brought down to. And so I'll probably be making the plunger head out of that. And here's my lathe. It's nice for a cute Shoreline. It's like 17-inch bed, 3-inch ways. I don't know. This is about as big as I can get on. You can see it just barely passes under. So luckily it fits. Don't get to pick your speed, you just have a knob, but oh well. It was free. I got it for free. I was helping a guy move and I got that lathe, so it's perfect for me. So anyway, I have this to figure out going from here, and I get to do this. This I'm not worried about. Making plunger heads is, what's going to go wrong? I mess up a measurement, well, that's easy enough to fix. I either cut it and just make another one because I have enough length. But man, this hot end, getting that, what size is it? Yeah, it's significantly larger. You can see that my 1/2 inch drill bit. That's gonna blow. Man, I hope there's a better way of doing this. But if not, we're gonna do a lot of filing and a lot of expanding a hole. So I'll update you how the lathe work goes and how making this flat goes. Woo! We've taken this from 1.375. We've brought this down to just over where it needs to be, so it's just, I think, about 10-20 thousandths oversized, so it just doesn't quite fit, but it's about where I wanted. I roughed it, so basically I roughed it into shape, and I kind of started taking the tool, not how you should do it, but I don't have a parting tool, so I just took my standard metal cutting piece. It's hard to see with the aluminum behind it, and kind of brought it down to a taper to where it's smallest. And I can't get too much further doing that. I just don't really want to because I'd have to start taking more of the large part off. And so now, since we don't own a putting tool, and we don't want to spend $10, don't be ridiculous, who can just go buy a putting tool? Instead, we're taking a hacksaw, and we are going to just take the last 3/4 off ourselves, because real men just saw through 3/4 inch aluminum like it's nothing. Woo! I'm so manly. So fun. Lame. Hey guys, so I have finished lathing my new plunger head. It's real hard to focus. I have it go up there. It's kind of better. You kind of get a see of it. I'm going to polish it up a little more, but I am very happy to be able to show you that it works. Here is the black rubber seal. If I just kind of press that into place, and now if I pull it on with my, I'm gonna need two hands. There, but it just goes on with my fingers. Really nice tight seal, but it does come off easy enough. I mean, I kind of have to like sneak a little like fingernail or a thinnish knife. Like I've used this butter knife. I shouldn't have that here. I shouldn't have a lot of things here. I need to clean up. But for today, probably took maybe about 3 or 4 hours. I did a whole lot of things dumb. I'm making this plunger head, and just like mistakes you make if you haven't used a lathe in way too long. So this works really well. It fits. I have the hole just undersized, so it just kind of can be press fit, which is really nice. It seems to work that way, but I'll probably end up machining or filing away a flat on one end of this and just drilling a hole with a set screw just to make it more secure. Also, this being day 3, probably not going to work on it too much this weekend. We'll see though. One thing I'm thinking and realizing here, if we put this up here, oh, wires are in the way. If we put this up, it's not going to fall. I did have to take my extruder off and stuff. I'm going to still do the aluminum plate, but I have to take that off anyway, so easy enough to work on it. When we load in our syringe, and don't let it fall, I'm noticing it can just kind of freely rotate the syringe. And since you're going to have such a good seal, like this, when this turns, that's going to grab and rotate and want to turn this. So we're going to have to fix that for coming. Either 3D printing, probably just add a base layer, like another 1/8 inch that kind of just traces so that this can't turn. But we'll see. We'll work on that later. So yeah, basically first this is my 3rd day, I guess, working on it. Really. And I've got this machined. And it works. I'm still going to polish it up a little more, but we're happy with it. So this is like the step 1 of things we had to build. Now we got to make that aluminum plate. We'll see how fun that ends up being. Hopefully it's great. I have a whole lot of mess and aluminum to clean up. My wife gets home in like an hour, so that's what we're not going to start any more projects. We're just going to clean and go from there. We look forward to next week. Maybe I'll get some time Sunday. I think my wife works Sunday evening, so probably put a little time on it then. So yeah, I'm really happy. It works really well. It's a really nice fit, and it's a shame it can't be 3D printed easily, but maybe it can. Maybe again, this might be just me wanting to over-engineer and make everything to my standards. I don't know. Anyway, I haven't done anything with my hair. I basically woke up and just started working on this, so whatever. I'll do my hair for you guys next time, but good. We really enjoying the paste extruder project. Super fun. So